Just wanted to take an opportunity to show you the table that I'm making the mats for. This table is, like I said, 8 feet long. And don't ask me how wide it is because I really don't know, but plenty wide enough. It has, you can't really see, let's tuck under. It has a full-length bench on the back side, so the table slides over that bench and sits flush to this long wall that I have in my kitchen here. All right, I'll just give you a quick glimpse of my kitchen. It's fairly clean and put together. Okay, this is my kitchen. So, and I have an island out here in the middle, but I have this long wall, and it just, needed something. On the back wall, I think that's where I'm going to hang the big slow stitch wall hanging that I'm working on right now. But meantime, my husband built this table for me. We are in the process of looking for chairs for this table. We probably want to get about 4 of them. We have a couple stools that we are going to use on the ends, but we'll have the bench in the back, 4 chairs on this side, benches on each end. So that can sit 10 people very, very well. But I need, as you can see down this long length of table, this is just stained and lacquered wood, so it would stain easily if it weren't protected. So I want to make some mats, and this was the piece that I'm working on right now. And but I've other kinds of mats that I'm making so that they will be able to fit all along the length of the table, and then you can set bowls and dishes on that and just save the surface of your table. It would probably go down the center like this because it has to have room for your plates on both sides, but that way would be something pretty to put the different dishes on the bowls and things that you're going to be using. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you, why I'm making these mats and how they will be used. Okay,